In this video, I'll show you how to import audio in Capcut. This is useful if you want to add music, a voiceover, sound effects, or any audio file to your video. First, open Capcut. Then open the project you want to edit. Once your project is open, look for the Import button. Click Import. Now find the audio file you want to add from your computer. Select the file, then click Open. Your audio should now appear in the Media section of your Capcut project. To add it to your video, drag the audio file down onto the timeline. Place it underneath your video clips where you want the sound to start. You can drag the audio left or right to line it up with your video. If the audio is too long, click the end of the audio clip and drag it shorter. You can also split the audio by moving the playhead to the part you want to cut, then use the split tool. If the audio is too loud or too quiet, select the audio clip. Then adjust the volume from the audio settings. You can also add a fade in or fade out if you want the audio to start or end more smoothly. Another quick way to import audio is to drag the audio file from your computer directly into Capcut, then place it onto the timeline. Once everything sounds right, you can continue editing or export your finished video. And that's it. You've now imported audio in Capcut.